Embark on a comprehensive journey through the realms of medicine with Dr. Atef Ahmed's 100 Questions and Answers series for medical students and doctors. This meticulously curated series is an indispensable resource for medical students and doctors aiming to excel in their studies and clinical practice. Each book in the series focuses on a different specialty, providing a thorough understanding of key concepts and practical insights. Key features: 1. Extensive coverage of medical specialties. The series includes 29 volumes, each dedicated to a specific field such as cardiology, neurology, pediatrics, oncology, gastroenterology, psychiatry, obstetrics and gynecology, dermatology, orthopedics, infectious diseases, endocrinology, pulmonology, rheumatology, emergency medicine, anesthesiology, nephrology, ophthalmology, pathology, radiology, surgery, and various surgical subspecialties. 2. Expertly crafted questions and answers. Each book presents 100 expertly crafted questions followed by detailed answers, designed to deepen understanding and enhance retention of complex medical topics. 3. Real-world clinical scenarios. Engage with real-world clinical scenarios that enhance practical understanding, preparing students and doctors for clinical rotations and examinations. 4. Up-to-date medical knowledge, reflecting the latest advancements and guidelines in each field. These books are an invaluable resource for staying current in fast-evolving medical landscapes. 5. Versatile learning tool, ideal for self-study, group discussions, or as a complement to lecture materials, making it versatile for various learning environments. 6. Accessible format, designed for easy navigation. Each question and answer is concise yet comprehensive, making complex topics more approachable. 7. Authored by a renowned expert, Dr. Atef Ahmed, a distinguished medical professional, brings his extensive experience and insights to each subject, ensuring reliable and authoritative content. Whether you're a medical student or resident or specialized doctor seeking a robust learning tool or a practicing professional aiming to refresh your knowledge, the 100 Questions and Answers series for medical students and doctors by Dr. Atef Ahmed is your go-to guide. Delve into the depths of medical knowledge and emerge with a clearer, more profound understanding of the diverse fields of medicine. Make this series a cornerstone of your medical library today. This book series includes the following: 29 books. Get your copy now and enjoy your knowledge journey.